Sanmonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, there's been pictures circulating of Vuyokazi's Lobola Day. Congratulations to her. It looks like she has successfully become Mrs. S. Now there's pictures where she's wearing a shawl written becoming Mrs. S. Another picture where she's with some guy. I'm guessing it's her uncle or it's a relative because they look alike in my head, and saying Mzansi nangumakoti wenu, meaning Mzansi. Here's you guys' wife. What a humble soul. Now, I don't know about humble soul, but yeah, you guys, congratulations to her. Like, there's a level of respect and honor that I have for marriage that will not allow me to speak and say certain things because, according to our tradition as Black people, once lobola is paid, those two people are technically married. So Uvuyelazi is a married woman, guys. And so I think there should be like a level of respect that we speak, a level of respect or honor that we should, put some respect on their union because I mean they married. And for me, once people have, chosen to tie the knot, then my words are quite limited, but congratulations to her. Some people actually feeling that, what, this was too quick. I mean, some of us did not think the lobola was gonna come as quick because I mean, we were just talking about Uvuyokazi's engagement, so everything happened so quick. But I guess, guys, sometimes this is an indication that when a man really wants to do good by you, he will do good by you. Sometimes when you're seeing these men that are taking 10 years to marry their baby mamas and all of that, sometimes it's that he doesn't want to agafuni. But when a guy, that's how they say men are selfish. When a guy knows what he wants, or when a guy thinks he knows what he wants, he's gonna go for it. And I think maybe this could be the case with Vuyokazi. I mean, we heard Uguti, the guy has had a crush on Vuyokazi for a while. So here he is doing the things that needed to be done, the things that Umpumelelo was not willing to do. I guess Umpumelelo did not really think Vuyokazi was going to leave. I mean, none of us thought she was going to leave. But here she is. I saw someone's comment actually saying that once Vuyokazi fighting Utirelo over Umpumelelo, like just literally last week. And I think for some of you who don't know, the show is pre-recorded. So by the time we get to watch it, it's like a year back. So I don't know about you guys. Like, guys, let me just ask, how long is ample time in order for a person to move on? Because 1 year, coming to think about it, guys, 1 year is a long time. Some of us, guys, 2 months, 3 months is enough and we're over a person. Personally, for me, a year is long. A year is long. I actually do think that a year is enough time for a person to actually get over a person. But this one is kind of different because she has kids with Umpumelelo, 2 kids, and her one child, her last child, is extremely young. So I don't really know if her heart is that brave enough to move on that quickly, but either or, whichever it is, they are now married. And you know what? All I've got to say is congratulations. And I really do hope that whatever she wanted out of this union or whatever that she, wants out of marriage, may she get it out of this relationship, regardless of the whole lot of things and whatever people are saying in the public. I wish her all the best, you guys. Now there's people on Twitter where, stuff to say, and other people feeling as if Vuyokazi is living for the internet. Other people's basically saying Vuyokazi's heart is still Kwamselegu. I honestly think, I know for a fact, based on what we watched, that Vuyokazi did not leave Kwamselegu because she wanted to. It was because of the situation. The situation is basically forcing her. So if the situation is forcing you, you guys, even though your heart is there, you must tell your heart, listen, command your heart to listen, gather yourself, gather everything, let's move. Because why be in a place where you're not wanted? Do you get what I'm saying? And someone else actually said something that I was like, this is interesting. This person said that I feel like Pumelelo will lobola utirelo just to spite or just to hurt Vuyokazi. Now, I think it's interesting. I don't see it happening because if Umpumelelo was doing it according to his own accord, maybe that was going to be something different. But remember, the whole polygamy is Tembusake. He is being led by his father. But what makes me kind of sad for Utirelo in a sense, I did a video that Nosipa broke up with Umpumelelo, and I was laughing because I was just like, all this drama for what? Like, you lost Vuyokazi for what, you know? And now he's left with Utirelo. And the thing that makes me kind of sad is, why isn't Utirelo enough for him? Like someone said, like Umpumelelo just needs to accept that him and Utirelo are meant for one another. You guys, if you guys could see their relationship of how much these people look like they're happy, the two of them, my thing is like, why doesn't Umpumelelo Ngempela leave this whole polygamy thing and be happily ever after with Utirelo? The sad thing is like both these women who were prominent figures or they had prominent roles in Pumelelo's life have left, but that's still not enough to make Utirelo wife number one. Like that is just like so bothersome for me, and I know there's no way that's not bothering her. Like right now she's number one, but if they're going according to Mselegu's type of, I don't know, Babu Mselegu's type of a manual, Uterelo can still not be wife number one just because she's not Zulu and a virgin. So that really makes me kind of sad because it's like, so women will keep coming in and out of Mpumenelo's life, and Uterelo will just always remain as wife number two. She's never going to be good enough to be made wife number one. But maybe in his heart, maybe in Mpumenelo's heart, she'll always be wife number one in his heart. Asazi, you guys. But that would be interesting to see for Mpumenelo to Lobolo Uterelo. That will be very interesting to see. But anyway, you guys, that such is life. Such is life. We get into relationships. We think we're gonna have happily ever afters with people. Then life happens. People change. People grow up, and it is for us to adapt to the change. And when we adapt to the change, we then get to decide whether the change is going to be beneficial for us or not. In this case, the change was not beneficial for Vuyokazi, and hence she moved on and found a man who was willing to give her just what she wanted, which was marriage. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I will see you guys on the next one.